In this video, I'll detail how to check secure folder in Samsung. So if you already set up your Samsung phone secure folder, where you hide your apps from the home screen or lock app in the secure folder, then this video is going to show you how you can easily check or work around the Samsung phone secure folder. So if at the end of this, you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, to check secure folder in Samsung, come to the home screen or app menu and locate secure folder. If you couldn't find the secure folder, just come here, hit the search and search for secure folder. Literally, while creating the Samsung secure folder, the secure folder thumbnail or icons will be created and added to the apps menu. Then once you found this secure folder, go ahead and click on that. Then here, you'll be prompted to unlock your secure folder with either your PIN or your fingerprint. So choose whatever one that pleases you. Then here, you can now access the secure folder. You can also see the applications you've added to secure folder on your Samsung Galaxy phone. Now, to lock and exit secure folder, all you just need to do is click on these three dots and tap lock and exit. Once you tap lock and exit, you see secure folder locked. Then when next you're trying to open or check the secure folder again, you see use secure folder PIN or go ahead and use your fingerprint. Then once your secure folder is unlocked, you can just click on this plus icon, add application you want to add to secure folder. You can even add all your application like this, then click on add. Then this is going to add all the applications you have on your Samsung phone to the secure folder. Now, that is all you need to do when you are trying to check secure folder on your Samsung Galaxy phone. So, if this is helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.